Do you know many people are having trouble with locating the fuse for the windscreen water pump? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Identify fuse number. The fuse for the windscreen water pump is fuse number 15. Step 2. Understand fuse function. This fuse also controls the reverse gear and windscreen wipers. Step 3. Locate fuse box. To find fuse 15, locate the fuse box in your Dacia Duster 2015. Step 4. Examine fuse box. Look at the fuse box carefully to identify fuse number 15. Step 5. Replace fuse if necessary. Replace fuse number 15 if necessary to maintain proper pump operation. By following these steps, you should now be able to find and replace the correct fuse, ensuring your windscreen water pump works perfectly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Dacia users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.